Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today we are making a very simple light soup recipe which we're going to enjoy alongside with some fufu. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So to begin with, I have with me here some goat's meat and some dry fish. You can use any meat or dry fish of your choice. You can even use fresh fish if you want. But for the goat meat, I'm specifically using the intestines for the soup, and it took the soup to another level. And for veggies, I have some carrots, onions, pepper, and one frozen tomato paste. You can use any vegetable at all for this recipe. So in a pot, I'm going to add in my meat, add in my vegetables and my tomato paste as well. We're going to add some meat seasoning powder, some fish seasoning powder as well, and I'm going to add in some homemade all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to add in a salty taste as well. Add water to it to steam this very well, so the salt is always to your taste. So after 15 minutes of steaming my sauce, it is well cook right now. Just look at how juicy this look right now. So next I'm going to remove my vegetables and I'll blend and add it to the soup base. So if today being your first time on this channel, welcome to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel and I know you're going to love staying here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. And please do well to click on the post notification bell as well and be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. Next, I'm going to add in the blended vegetables to the soup base. Add water to this to make it a little bit light because you're making this light soup. Then you can go in with your fish. You can use any fish of your choice. So the water you add to the soup is always to your preference, okay? Stir this very well and taste for salt and cover it to cook until it is nice and ready. This soup is very easy and I know you're going to love making it at home. And so this is my asanka. I'm going to mold my fufu in it and enjoy myself. Look how soft and stretchy this fufu looks, guys. This is Sunday special, and if you have the ingredients in the house, just get right into it and prepare something like this for your family to enjoy as well. And after extra 40 minutes, just look at how the soup looks right now. This soup looks very appetizing and very delicious. So now all what is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. And to my returning subscribers and new babies right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and sharing my videos. Fam, I am truly grateful. And if you watch this video to this point and you haven't liked my video yet, please do well to like my video, and please do turn on the post notification bell as well and be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.